Are you tired of wasting your time, energy, and hope on so-called easy money schemes? The internet is flooded with promises of overnight riches and passive income that requires zero effort. But let's be honest, most of that is just noise designed to sell you a dream, not a reality. The truth is, building a real sustainable income stream takes work, but it doesn't have to be overwhelmingly complicated or require a massive upfront investment. It just requires a proven strategy and consistent action. So, if you're ready to skip the hype and get down to business, you're in the right place. Here are 4 legitimate, time-tested ways to actually earn cash online. We're going to break down each one with a simple starter plan, realistic expectations, and the common pitfalls to avoid. Let's start with the most direct path to earning: freelancing. First, freelancing. At its core, freelancing is simple. You offer a valuable skill to clients who need it, and you get paid for your time and expertise. You are your own boss. This is the fastest way to turn a skill you already have into cash. Let's look at a few high-demand examples. First, writing. Every business needs written content. You could be a content writer creating blog posts for a tech company, a copywriter crafting persuasive ad copy for a new product, or even a ghostwriter helping a busy CEO write a book. Or maybe you have an eye for aesthetics. Offer a skill like graphic design. You could design logos and branding packages for new startups, create eye-catching social media graphics for influencers, or even design professional slide decks for corporate presentations. These are tangible assets that businesses are always willing to pay for. And of course, there's code. If you can build things with code, you're in an excellent position. You could develop simple websites for local businesses using platforms like WordPress or Squarespace, or offer your services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to help clients with small coding tasks and bug fixes. You don't need to be a senior engineer at Google to get started. The startup cost is incredibly low, and payouts can be fast once you build a solid portfolio. So, how do you begin? Here's a simple starter plan. First, identify your most marketable skill. Be specific. Not just writing, but writing SEO-friendly blog posts for B2B SaaS companies. Second, create a small portfolio. You don't need dozens of examples. 3 to 5 high-quality pieces are enough to show what you can do. If you have no prior work, create some. Design a logo for a fictional brand. Write a sample blog post. Build a small project. Third, create a profile on a platform like Upwork, Fiverr, or a niche-specific site. Or, build a simple one-page website to showcase your work. Now for the numbers. Realistically, as a beginner, you might start in the $20 to $40 per hour range. It's about getting those first few clients and positive reviews. As you gain experience and build a reputation, it's very possible to scale to $75 and $100, or even more per hour. The key pitfall to avoid is the feast or famine cycle. To combat this, always be marketing, even when you're busy. Dedicate a small portion of your week to finding new leads. Also, always use a contract to protect yourself and manage client expectations. Your 7-day action plan for freelancing. Day 1, pinpoint your specific service. Days 2 to 4, create 3 portfolio pieces. Day 5, build your profile on one platform. Days 6 and 7, send out your first 5 proposals for small, easy-to-win jobs. Alright, moving on from trading time for money. Our second method is all about trading products for profit. Buy and flip items. This is retail arbitrage. You find undervalued items at thrift stores, garage sales, or clearance aisles and resell them online for a significant margin. The thrill is in the hunt. You could find a designer jacket for $10 that resells for $80, or a rare board game for $5 that's worth $50 to a collector. Some people do this full-time, building entire businesses around it. The starter plan is straightforward. First, pick a niche you know something about, whether it's vintage clothing, electronics, books, or toys. This gives you an edge in spotting value. Second, dedicate a small budget, say $50 to $100 for your initial inventory. Go sourcing. Third, clean up your items and take high-quality photos. This is crucial. Your photos are your sales pitch. Finally, list your items on platforms like eBay, Poshmark, or Facebook Marketplace. As for proof, this model is well documented. Many small sellers successfully turn an initial investment of $100 into $500 within a few weeks. It's a numbers game. The more you source and list, the more you sell. A common pitfall is underestimating the hidden costs. Platform fees, shipping supplies, and the cost of goods that don't sell. Always factor these into your pricing. Another is poor inventory management. Keep a simple spreadsheet to track what you bought, what it cost, where it's listed, and what it's sold for. Your 7-day action plan for flipping. Day 1, choose your niche and platform. Day 2, set your $100 budget and go on your first sourcing trip. Days 3 and 4, clean, photograph, and write descriptions for your items. Days 5 and 6, list everything. Day 7, pack and ship your first sale. So we've covered trading your time and trading physical products. Now let's talk about our third method, which offers incredible scale: create and sell digital products. This is where you build an asset once and sell it over and over again. The upfront work is in the creation, but once it's done, it can generate passive income for months or even years. Let's explore some examples. First, templates. Think about reusable layouts that save people time. This could be social media templates for small business owners, resume templates for job seekers, or presentation templates for professionals. People will happily pay for a design that makes their life easier. Second, online courses or ebooks. Package your knowledge into a step-by-step guide. Are you great at baking sourdough? An expert in personal finance? A skilled photographer? You can create a short ebook or a mini course teaching others what you know. You don't need to be the world's foremost expert, you just need to know more than your target audience. And third, printables. These are low-cost, high-volume digital items like weekly planners, budget trackers, wall art, or sticker sheets that customers download and print themselves. The barrier to entry is very low, and platforms like Etsy are perfect for this. The beauty is in the model. One product, many sales. You invest the setup time up front, and the potential for passive income later is significant. A single popular digital planner on Etsy, selling for $15, can earn thousands a month. The main pitfall is perfectionism. Many creators spend months trying to build the perfect product and never launch. The key is to create a minimum viable product, your first simplest version, and get it to market. You can always improve it later based on customer feedback. Your 7-day action plan for digital products. Day 1, brainstorm a simple product idea based on your skills. Days 2 through 5, create the first version of your product using a tool like Canva or Google Docs. Day 6, set up a shop on a platform like Etsy or Gumroad. Day 7, publish your product and announce it on your social media. Okay, let's recap. We've covered freelancing, flipping, and digital products. Our fourth and final method leverages an audience you may already have, no matter how small: affiliate marketing or referral programs. This is where you promote products or services you genuinely use and trust, and you earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. You don't have to handle inventory, create a product, or deal with customers. Your job is simply to be a trusted source of recommendations. You can do this by writing a review blog post, creating a favorite tools page on your website, or simply sharing a link in a social media post. For example, if you're a book lover, you can join the Amazon Associates program and earn a commission on any books people buy through your links. If you use a specific software for your business, check if they have a referral program. Many do. This is perfect if you already post online. Instead of just talking about the things you love, you can get paid for it. Earnings can range from a few extra dollars a month to a full-time income, depending on the size and engagement of your audience and the value of the products you promote. The most critical pitfall here is promoting products you don't believe in just for a commission. Your audience's trust is your greatest asset. Once it's broken, it's nearly impossible to get back. Always be transparent and disclose your affiliate relationships. Authenticity is everything. Your 7-day action plan for affiliate marketing. Day 1, list 5 products or services you already use and love. Day 2, research and apply to their affiliate programs. Days 3 and 4, outline and create your first piece of review content, a blog post, a video, or a social media thread. Day 5, publish it. Days 6 and 7, share it across your channels and engage with any questions. So there you have it, 4 proven, actionable methods to start making money: freelancing, flipping items, creating digital products, and affiliate marketing. None of them are get-rich-quick schemes. They all require effort, focus, and consistency. But they are all real businesses that you can start today with minimal risk. The biggest mistake is trying to do all of them at once. The key to success is to pick one method that best aligns with your skills, resources, and interests. Just one, and commit to it. Commit 1 hour a day for the next 7 days. That's it, just one focused hour. You will be amazed at the progress you can make when you dedicate small, consistent pockets of time to a single goal. To help you get started, I've put together a detailed 7-day checklist for each of the 4 methods we discussed. It breaks down the daily actions you need to take to get your first win. Want a copy? Just drop a comment below with the word checklist, and I'll pin a link to it. Let me know which of the 4 methods you're going to try first. And here's a quick final tip. Consistency beats brilliance. It's not about having the most genius idea, it's about showing up every day, even when you don't feel like it. That's what separates those who succeed from those who just dream about it. Start small, learn as you go, and scale fast. You have the ability to build something real. The journey starts now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the comments.